Welcome to Keto Wave supplement reviews. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. The review might give you the clear idea about the Keto Wave supplement. Keto Wave supplement reviews. Keto Wave is the incredible weight loss solution that works on the concept of ketosis. It burns more fat for energy instead of carbs. It supports improved metabolism and ketosis state with the help of the special BHB ketones. It crosses the different barriers through the blood and turns out into energy, especially in brain. This also provides you improved brain health and mental acuity. You can achieve the desired weight loss results with better energy, which keeps you active throughout the day. The creator provides number of reviews and testimonials as the proof for Keto Wave supplement results. But there is no proper evidence for it and it may be fake. But not to drown your confidence, the manufacturer offers 100% refund guarantee that makes sure the supplement works. There is also no proper manufacturer's identity mentioned in the official website. But the BHB ketones added as the main ingredient has the scientific fact of adapting the ketosis state, which can burn fat. Benefits of Keto Wave. You can achieve desired weight loss results. Gives you more energy. No strict diets and workouts. Improves your mood and focus. Gives you more confidence. It is simple to use and effective. There is a 100% money-back guarantee offered. Drawbacks. You can buy the product only in the official website through online. Final words. The Keto Wave product with special BHB formula gives you the desired weight loss results and incredible energy. It is recommended to consult with the doctor before using the supplement for safety purpose. The 100% money-back guarantee helps you to try out the supplement without any risks. Hope the review helped you. Please look at the link in the description and avail the discount before you purchase. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.